Hey there, in today's video, I've got something really exciting to share with you, a new buy-sell signal indicator that's incredibly accurate. So let's dive right in and add this fantastic indicator to our chart. First things first, we'll head over to our indicators menu and search for this particular one we're looking for is the RSI indicator by this amazing author. And there it is. As you can see, it's now added below our chart. Now, what makes this indicator stand out is that it combines two powerful indicators, the RSI Relative Strength Index and the MD Moving Stop Loss Indicator. RSI is widely popular among traders, while MD adds a unique twist by providing buy-sell signals based on RSI moving averages, making it super accurate. Let's break down what you're seeing on the chart. The purple line represents the RSI itself, set to the default 14 period. The yellow line is the RSI moving average, offering a smoother view of RSI trends. And finally, the red line is the MD line, indicating buy-sell signals. Now let's tweak some settings. You can choose different types of moving averages or even Bollinger Bands, but I've found that the variable index dynamic moving average performs best. Now, on to the signals. This indicator offers two types: RSI divergences and buy-sell signals based on RSI moving averages. RSI divergences help us spot potential reversals or changes in momentum. For instance, a bearish divergence occurs when the price makes higher highs while RSI makes lower highs, suggesting a weakening upward momentum. Conversely, a bullish divergence signals weakening downward momentum. But wait, there's more. The indicator also generates buy-sell signals when the RSI moving average line crosses above or below the MD line. It's like having a roadmap for your trades. Now let's put it to the test. But before we do, let's establish a couple of conditions to ensure accuracy. For buy signals, RSI should be above the center line, indicating an uptrend. Conversely, for sell signals, RSI should be below the center line, indicating a downtrend. Additionally, we'll avoid signals that coincide with divergences, as they might indicate potential reversals. As we go through the chart, we'll see how these signals perform under these conditions. Some are winners, some are losers, but that's all part of the trading game. Remember, no strategy can eliminate all losses. That's where risk management comes in. I highly recommend to watch this full tutorial of risk and money management with proper position sizing, which works perfectly with any trading strategy, time frame, and pair. The link is both above here and down in the description. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more content. Until next time, happy trading